I think a lot of people do not recognize the fact that most people will begin losing muscle as they get older. You can build muscle as you get older if that's what your intention is to be. Many of us get focused just on the scale itself, thinking like, oh, well, I'm a healthy weight, so I'm good. But did you know that almost 40% of people have what's called normal weight obesity, which is they're technically classified as obese even though their weight is normal because they're so under-muscled, especially. So focusing on making sure that you're resistance training, and that could be in the gym, it could be with bands, it could be a lot of different ways, but making sure you're resistance training and not pushing yourself, like you don't need to be grunting and injuring yourself, but you do need to be challenging yourself. Which, if you're doing the same thing every single day forever, that's not challenging anymore. That's not enough to stimulate that muscle. So that's one thing that I would focus on.
That's the same question we had over here, right? Which is very common for a lot of people here, obviously, is this notion that as we age, we should actually stop lifting weights. And we've been told that. There was some junky science, I think 20, 25 years ago, that kind of convinced people like, oh, you know what, it's bad to actually lift weights, so let's just do yoga to be healthy for the rest of our lives. Yoga's amazing, but we know that, you know, especially people past 65, the more that you do resistance training and safe resistance training, as we were talking about, lifting weights, lifting rubber, you know, using rubber bands, things like that, put your muscles under tension. These are things that are going to help your body convert. So muscle requires more energy than fat. And so when you start putting the muscle under more tension, the body's going to try and, the body wants to hold on to muscle. So it's actually going to try and convert more of your tissue to lean muscle and burn some of the fat in the process. And then we hit some of those protein numbers that we were talking about to, you know, activate enough protein muscle synthesis. Then you might see, you know, some beneficial results from that. Again, it's not about, I got to go there and do bodybuilding every day and, you know, put on these huge muscles. It's just the body needs that challenge often, you know, at least a couple times a week per body part to see the growth that's necessary. And as I said earlier, important to start with a personal trainer, somebody, if you're not used to it, if you're not used to doing weight training in the gym, or, you know, get a personal trainer for a little while, have them show you how to do it safely, how to do it correctly, proper form, all of that.
Hey there, vegan family. Thank you so much for watching our video clip. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe, tell all your family and friends. We really want to help this channel grow, so that would be amazing. And also, if you really, really liked it and you'd like to purchase the entire video, you can head to the link in our description box below and you can purchase this video or get the collection from the cruise. So thanks again for watching. Hope you're having a beautiful day, and also hope we get to see you aboard the ship very soon. Aloha! Whoop, 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 whoop.